Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. The biggest story in the region last week comes from Saudi Arabia, where the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, began full enforcement of its stringent new traceability and labeling regulations for medical devices. This move is sending significant ripples through the supply chain. While the regulations were announced previously, the grace period has ended, and strict compliance is now mandatory, catching many international firms by surprise. The core of the new mandate is an intensified focus on unique device identification, or UDI. Every medical device, from a simple syringe to a complex MRI machine, must now feature a compliant UDI barcode. This is linked to the SFDA's central database, creating a comprehensive track and trace system. The goal is clear: enhance patient safety, combat counterfeit products, and gain full visibility into the life cycle of every device used within the kingdom. However, the implementation is proving to be a major operational hurdle. We are seeing reports of significant shipment delays at customs in Riyadh and Jeddah. The primary issue is non-compliance, such as incorrect data formatting on labels or mismatches between the physically submitted data and the information logged in the SFDA's electronic system. For international medtech companies, this presents an immediate and costly challenge. Consider a real-world scenario that unfolded just last week. A German manufacturer of orthopedic implants had a multi-million-dollar shipment detained because their secondary packaging labels were missing a specific machine-readable code required by the new rules. This single oversight led to a 2-week delay, storage fees, and the risk of contract penalties with their local healthcare distributor. This isn't just a simple labeling issue, it's a critical market access barrier. Companies without a sophisticated regulatory strategy and a deep understanding of the SFDA's digital infrastructure are facing real risks. The SFDA is not just aligning with global standards like those in the EU and US, it is establishing itself as a top-tier regulator. This change favors companies that invest in robust, localized compliance infrastructure over those who treat it as a mere administrative task. It's a clear signal that the Saudi market, while lucrative, now demands a higher level of regulatory excellence. Successfully navigating this new landscape requires more than just following a checklist. It demands proactive regulatory intelligence and a strong local presence. Companies must ensure their technical dossiers are perfectly aligned with the new digital submission requirements and that their logistics partners are fully briefed on the nuances of the updated customs clearance process. The era of treating the Saudi market as an easy entry point is over. For expert guidance on adapting to the SFDA's new regulations and ensuring your market access strategy is secure, you can email or visit Pure Global.